Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the product rule of derivatives. So as per the problem, determine the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals x cubed minus 5x plus 2 times 3x squared minus 2x at the point 1, negative 2. Now we know that the tangent is a straight line. So the general equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus b. Now in order to find the equation of the tangent, we need to find the m value, which is the slope, and the b value, which is the y-intercept. Now we can find the slope of the tangent by finding the derivative of the equation of the curve. Now this equation is in the form of the multiplication of two functions. So the first function is x cubed minus 5x plus 2 multiplied by the second function, which is 3x squared minus 2x. So therefore we have to use product rule to find the derivative of this function, which will be the slope of the tangent. So our first step is, so m equals, so the slope of the tangent will be equal to y prime. So I'm using the prime notation, and now we can use the product rule. So as per the product rule, so the derivative of this function will be the first function times the derivative of the second function plus the derivative of the first function times the second function. So we'll start by writing the function as it is, x cubed minus 5x plus 2 times the derivative of the second function, which will be 6x minus 2, and then plus the derivative of the first function, so which will be 3x squared minus 5 plus 0. The derivative of 2 is 0 because 2 is a constant, and then times the second function. Now we have to find the equation of the tangent which touches the curve at the point 1, negative 2. So we can find the slope of this tangent by subbing in x as 1 in this expression. So we don't have to simplify it, and that will save us some time and steps to find the slope of the tangent. So in the next step, we can write m equals, so we can sub in x as 1. So we get 1 cubed minus 5 times 1 plus 2, and then second parenthesis 6 times 1 minus 2, and then plus, now we do 3 times 1 square minus 5, and the 0 goes away because addition by 0 doesn't change anything, and times 3 times 1 square minus 2 times 1. Now we can simplify this expression further. So in the first parenthesis, so 1 cube is 1 minus 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2. And in the second parenthesis, we do 6 times 1, which is 6, and minus 2. And in the second part, so 1 square is 1, so 3 times 1 is 3, so 3 minus 5. And then in the second part, we do 1 square is 1, so 3 times 1 is 3, and then 2 times 1 is 2. Now we can simplify this expression further. So in the first parenthesis, so 1 minus 5 plus 2 is equal to negative 2. And then 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Plus, then 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 2. And 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we can simplify it further. So negative 2 times 4 is negative 8, and negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. So the slope of the tangent is negative 10. So this is the m value we'll use in the general equation of a straight line. So our equation becomes y equals negative 10x plus b. Now we have to find the value of b, the y-intercept. So for that, we'll use the given point 1, negative 2 because the tangent touches the curve at this point. So this point lies on the tangent line. So we'll sub in x as 1 and y as negative 2 in this equation. So we get negative 2 equals negative 10 times 1 plus b. So we get negative 2 equals negative 10 plus b. Now we can isolate b by adding 10 to both sides. So the 10s on the right side cancel each other out. So negative 2 plus 10 is equal to 8. So this is the b value for this tangent line. So the equation of the tangent in slope-intercept form is y equals negative 10x plus 8. Sorry, plus 8. So this is the equation in slope-intercept form. Now we can change it to standard form by moving the x term and the number term to the left side of the equation, and that will be 10x plus y minus 8 equals 0. So that will be the final answer in the standard form. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So you have to be careful about the finding the derivative of the given function because that derivative is the slope of the tangent line, and in this case we use the product rule because the given function is a multiplication of two different functions, and we can write the answer either in the slope intercept form or the standard form. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.